Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. Today's video is my April favourites. As you are watching this, it is my birthday. I can't believe it. April has come and gone. It's ridiculous. But yeah, I turned 24 today, so I'm like, I feel so old. I have got quite a few things that I have been absolutely loving this month. My phone is also going off, so I need to like pop it to one side. Yeah, it's my birthday, April favourites time. I'm going to get straight into it. So the first thing that I have absolutely been loving, and I'm going to pop a couple of like pictures on here if I can, because some things are more difficult for me to show. So the first thing I have been loving are these jeans from Primark. So I'll pop a picture so you can see exactly what it looks like. But they are these jeans here, and they're kind of like girlfriend slash like mom kind of jeans, and they have like rips in them. I love the colour of the blue. They're a bit stiff just because I've just literally washed them, but I really like them. They're not the kind of typical thing I would go for, but I really like them, and I practically like lived in them for the last like week since I've had them, but they're just super comfortable. They're really like flattering for me. I feel I have a bit of like a lower belly hang, so this like tightens it and makes me feel all like in, and I really like them. They were, I think, £15 from Primark, so not like the cheapest jeans they do, but also not the most expensive, but I really like them, and I find them really comfortable. So yeah, that's the first thing I have absolutely been loving. Also, I do want to apologise if you ever see me like looking just over there. If you watched my previous video, which was a vlog, you'll have seen that my flip screen has broken and it is currently being held together by a balloon, so I can't see anything, so I've had to put you in front of a mirror just so I can see that I'm still in focus, and things like that. Obviously when I show you stuff, I want to make sure it's in focus, so if you see me looking to the side slightly, then I am sorry about that. But let's crack on. Next thing I've been loving is this, which is a nail lamp. It is a UV lamp. It's white and like pink underneath. It does come with obviously like the cable and stuff. I have done a previous video which I'll pop down below all about how to get gel nails at home. The lamps I've used before in the past have not been UV, they've just been like LED like strip lights, and this is an absolute lifesaver. So you have your little different times on top, so 30 seconds or a minute. It is a little bit dirty, so just get dirty when you're like touching it all the time and doing your nails at the same time. Really good. It's really small. It comes in a box. I'll just show you. It comes in this box, which I have actually kept the box to like keep it in storage, like in my drawers and stuff. It's just easier, but you obviously don't have to. It obviously, I can't like show you the light now, but it has a really nice like purpley fluorescent light. Sorry, there was a bit of fluff in front of the screen, but I'll pop a few pictures up of the nails that I have done with this lamp, so if you want to see my video where I show you how to do it, then definitely check it out. It'll be linked down below. But it's really good. It's like really small. It's not like a big bulky thing that takes up a lot of room, and it's a lot quicker than my other previous lamps. It does get a bit dirty underneath, as you can see, but that's just kind of what happens to them. So yeah, that's my next favourite. It's called A Body UV LED Nail Lamp 9C. So yeah, I got it on Amazon, and it was probably around £19.99, that kind of price, like to £25, but it's really good, and I think it looks pretty as well. So that's that one, and it also came quite quickly in the post. Next things I have been loving. Where should I go to next? Should I go to hair stuff? This VO5 heat protectant spray. My mum actually got me this one because she uses this, and I had said to her that I was running out of the other one that I used, and she was like, oh, you need to try this one, and it smells so nice. I've mentioned it before in a video, but it smells lovely. It makes my hair like super nice and like glossy. I've used it to straighten my hair. Makes it super nice and glossy, and I really like it. Again, it's not expensive, and you can get it absolutely anywhere, like in Superdrug or supermarkets, those kind of places. Next thing I have loved, we're going to makeup. I have been loving the Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter. I've mentioned this before in so many videos, but I really like this. I have seen a few people say it's quite hard to work with and they've just sort of put it to one side and left it in their makeup collection, but definitely don't do that. Keep working with it, because once you get the hang of how to use like liquidy products, it's so easy. So I haven't used it on my cheeks today, I've used a different one, but I always use it under my brow bone, on the inner corner of my eye, and on my lip and like my nose and stuff. Sometimes if I want a strong highlight on my cheek then I'll use it, but I haven't used it today. I've gone for more of like a natural glow, but I really like it. I bought this before Christmas. There's loads left in there. I can't see myself like using this up anytime soon, as I've always mentioned. Makeup Revolution tend to have like offers and stuff on, and they are really affordable anyway, but I just think it's really nice highlighter if you're into your glowy skin, or you can like mix it in with foundations or even use it as like a wet lid look. It'd be really nice. They have loads of different shades of this. Mine is the liquid luminous gold one, but they have loads of different ones in their collection, and I just really like it as a highlighter. It's like one of my go-tos, like one of my top two I'd say to use. So yeah, I've loved that this last month when we've had a little bit of sunny weather. Definitely going to wear more of it in summer. The other thing that I've loved, and it is a MAC lipstick in the shade Angel. I'm wearing it now, and you can see I've literally had to like dig deep and like carve it out. I was going to ask for one of these for my birthday, but I don't know whether to do. Please let me know what you think down below, if I should do what I got for my birthday. I'm always like really conscious of doing those kind of videos because I personally love watching them, but I don't like it if people take it the wrong way and think you're being like showy offy or something. So let me know if you'd like to see that. If enough people say yes, then I'll probably do one. If not, I'm not too sure, but I'll do like a poll and stuff on Twitter and on my Instagram, so just let me know your thought on it, because I'm a bit kind of like, do I do it, do I not? Anyway, not that I've got like a private jet for my birthday. Imagine. But yeah, I got the Angel lipstick. I'm wearing it today. I'm definitely going to get myself a new one of these. It's just like the perfect nude. You need it in your makeup collection if you don't have it. It's just that kind of like cult classic lipstick that you need to have if you don't have it. It's nice and glossy, but it's not sticky. I really like it. Goes with any kind of makeup look, any kind of outfit, you know. It looks lovely. As I mentioned, mine's like more or less gone, but literally if your lipstick gets to here from MAC, don't just like be like, oh, that's the end of it. Dig it out, because there's still like loads left in there, so you'll probably still get like another probably like a month out of it, or like a good 2 weeks if you wore it straight. So yeah, don't throw them away, and obviously keep them, and you can do your whole back to MAC thing. So yeah, that's a cult classic for me. Next thing I have been like loving is this like a baby pink colour. If you've seen my Instagram, you'll have seen like I'm trying to up my game a bit, and trying my hardest to make everything look nice, and I have loved pink. I'm not normally like a pinky person, but I just have been recently. So two things I have loved that are this colour. The first thing are these earrings, which I have worn, but I keep them on here just to keep them together. They're from Primark. I mentioned them in my previous Primark haul, probably down below in case you like this kind of videos and want to watch it. They're £3, and they are like a baby pink kind of colour, and they have got tassels on and little beads. I love the different texture. That's the first thing that I love. I've worn these a few times, definitely going to wear them loads more. I'm away for my birthday, and yeah, they're definitely coming with me. They're perfect for a few outfits I've got planned. So yeah, love these, love the colour of them, and just love the like flow of them as an earring. I think they look nice with so many different outfits. Then the other thing I've loved, which is actually from Avon. If you didn't know, I'm an Avon rep, have been for the last like 4 years. I think this year's going to be 5, which is a long old time. But I saw this in the catalogue and I was like, I love it, I have to get it. And 9 times out of 10 I order stuff for myself anyway. And it's this Taurus key ring. Makes perfect sense as we're in April, the month of the Taurus. Not technically the month, because I think it goes over April, because my boyfriend's birthday is also in April and he's not a Taurus. But anyway, it's the month of the Taurus, so or the time of the Taurus. So it's this little key ring. It was £3.50. I've shared it again on my Instagram, and I think it's so cute. So it's gold, and it has 2 little stars, one that is white and one that is pink. Then it has the Taurus like star sign, and then it says Taurus. But also on the other side of here, if I can show you, if it's gonna focus, I don't know if it will or not, just make it focus quick. On the other side there, it has like the do you call it the constellation, the stars, and I just think it is lovely. I love that this fit's my favourite, I have to say, with the Taurus logo. If it wants to focus, go on. I know I've already shown it to you, but I absolutely love it. It's not wanting to focus. Come on. There we go. I think it's just so nice, and for a key ring, you know, and it's like personal. It hasn't got your name on it, but it's got something to do with you. And I am not really like hugely into star signs, but there are occasional times, probably once every 3 months, when I do read up on it, and I do think to myself, that is me right now. So yeah, I'm not like super into it, but I think it's a really, really lovely gift to give somebody. I should have bought some more for like people's birthdays and stuff, but yeah, I just think that's actually really, really nice, and I have shared it on my Instagram. Next thing I have been loving are candles. Now, I don't know why I said like that, candles. Candles to me are fully like all year round. You don't just need candles for Christmas. So I have got two that I have loved. One I have actually burnt, the other one I haven't burnt just because I love the scent of it. But anyway, I went to Home Sense a few weeks ago. Yeah, probably 2 or 3 weeks ago now, and I picked up, oh no, when was it? Oh, I don't even know. But this is a Wickford & Co. Cherry Blossom and Jasmine luxury fragranced candle. It's like a big old boy. I think this was like £3.99 or £2.99 or something, and I have burnt quite a lot of it. I really, really like the scent of it. I also actually preferred one they had. It was pink. I'm sure if you're a shopper of home bargains, you'll know what I'm on about. It was pink, and I can't remember what it was called now, but I bought the little like votives of it, and I bought 3 of them because it was like buy 2 get 1 free or something, or free for like £1 or something, I don't know, 3 for £2, I don't know. And I bought them, and I really, really liked that, but they didn't have it in the bigger version, and I just wanted a big candle that was like springy, like that I could burn. So I picked up the purple one, which I do also really, really like, but I do prefer the pink scent. But yeah, can't rave enough about this for the price of it. I mean, it's like absolutely nothing to pay for a candle. Only thing I wish is that it was free wick, but then it would be a bit more expensive, but still like super affordable. I've burnt this for probably about 3 days straight, and that's how much it's burnt. I don't know if it says on the bottom. I don't know if it says how long it burns for. Probably not, just because I don't know. The only thing is it had broken a little bit, like the glass on the back. I don't know if you can see that. It is a bit smashed, which I didn't realise that I hadn't smashed it. It was already like that, but I didn't realise that, so yeah, maybe just check that. But I really, really like that. For the price of it, you just can't complain. And then the other week, when was it? Would it have been Saturday? No, must have been Monday. I think it was Monday. Yeah, it was Monday. We went to TK Maxx, me and Jay, and bought this DW Home Essence candle. Oh, the packaging is just like so up on my street. I absolutely love it. It's called Island Guava. This to me just smells like a cocktail. I absolutely love it. I haven't burnt it yet because I bought another one at Christmas time, and it's sitting there, and it's the candy cane one. You'll have seen it in like a previous haul I've done for Christmas, and I took like so long to burn it because I didn't want to burn it. It was so perfect, and now I store my lipsticks in there in the like pot. But as I mentioned, I'm loving pink at the minute. I don't know why, but I'm just loving pink. And I blooming love these candles. Like, they're so nice, they're so luxurious, they just stand out to me on the shelf like with all the other candles. I love the shape of the pot. It's just so like different. I don't want to burn it, like I really don't want to burn it, but oh, it just smells. I mean, look how perfect it looks. Doesn't it just look like so like, don't burn me? So yeah, I kind of don't want to. I love the gold lid on the top with the DW Home logo. I have to like make sure it's like in line, but I love this so much. And yeah, just sort of like leave the lid off and you can kind of get the scent anyway. So yeah, I don't want to burn it, but I'm obviously gonna have to. But I love DW Home stuff, absolutely love it. My next favourite has to be this bag, which I have mentioned in videos. I mentioned in 2 previous videos, my Primark haul and my like travel makeup bag, which was a couple of videos ago. It's this from Primark. It's a big old bag, and it's got all my travel stuff in. I'm going away for my birthday, in case you didn't know, so I'm keeping all my things in here that I had when I went to Centre Parks, so I'm not changing any of it. But yeah, I love this. It was about £6. It's got a big pocket on the front. I use this like more or less every single day to just keep all my makeup in anyway, and I've got all my makeup in here. It's got good handles on it, and that is going away with me. Can't rave enough about it. I think it's a really, really good, like, a big travel size for, I mean, even if you just want to take away hair stuff and you don't have to use it for makeup, if you just want to take away like your straighteners in there and your brushes and stuff, it's a really, really good, like, versatile bag. And then the last favourite is an empty packet of sweets that I've actually loved for ages, but I've never mentioned them because I've always thrown away the packaging, and they are the Candy Kittens. Candy Kittens is what the packaging is normally like. It looks like this, and then they change the colour of the packaging. It's like so sad, I'm like so into packaging, but they change the colour of the packaging like every single time there's like a different I don't know, like if it's strawberry it'd be like pink or whatever. This one is sour watermelon, which I love. These are the kind of sweets that I wouldn't finish straight away. They're the kind of sweets that I would have a couple of and then just leave them, but like in a really good way. Like, they're just so like tangy, and it says they're gluten-free, natural flavours, natural colourings, our sweets are naturally better. And I love little things that are like hidden on packaging and stuff. So on the bottom here, and it like opens up, like it stands up like that. On the bottom it says stop checking out my bottom, which I just think is like such a like little extra thing to do that not many people probably realise, but you see it and it just sort of gives you like a little, oh, that's quite cool. But yeah, I love these. This one is the sour watermelon one, as I mentioned. I love loads of the other ones. They are Jamie Lang, if anybody watched or watches Made in Chelsea, they're his like company, Candy Kittens. They are, not gonna lie, more expensive than other sweets you would get, but I really like them in these packages. I've seen them in garages as well and stuff, not like my garage, but like you know, where you fill up your car. I've seen little travel ones that you can get. My boyfriend's bought me a couple of those home, and you like pop them and they pop open. I just love things like that. They're a little bit different, and I think that as a brand they're like completely different to other sweets and stuff I've tried. They're more like adult sweets, and look on the back it says your sweet. I just think it's quite cute, to be honest. Gluten, natural, free from flavours or colours, whatever. And I just think it's really, really good. So yeah, love those, been loving those. And that's everything. Those are all my favourites. I hope that you liked this video. Like I mentioned in previous monthly favourites, I'm definitely wanting to complete all my monthly favourites every single month up until like the end of this year. So I hope that you liked them. If you do, give them a big thumbs up. Pop a comment down below what you have enjoyed. Maybe I've mentioned something that you also have loved, or you can recommend something for me. But if you did like this video, make sure to subscribe. I upload 3 times a week on a Monday, a Wednesday and a Friday, all at 5 PM. So make sure to subscribe to stick around for then. If you have already subscribed, make sure to pop the little notification on, the little bell down below. Just click that and it will tell you guys when I upload. Thank you to everyone who has already sent me a lovely message to say happy birthday. I'm having a lovely day, and I will see you all very soon for another video.